three more machines. We just placed order for three more machines.
3 more machines.
Yeah, three more machines.
Fantastic.
And also we are planning to add these machines in our supply chain also.
Oh, fantastic. Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are here at one of the biggest aerospace company in India, which is Unimech Aerospace in Bangalore. And I'm here with Mr. Prithviraj, who is the head purchase in the company. Thank you, sir.
Hi.
Thank you for your time.
Okay.
So, sir, we are standing in front of Jagdeep VTM machine, which manufacture large dia components. So, you have bought this machine 1 year ago, correct?
Yes.
So, how has been your experience with this machine, and what's your feedback or after sales support from this Manav Marketing?
It's a very good machine. The feedback what I got from production is also very good, and the experience right from RFQ to the delivery and installation is very good. The team is very supportive, and of course, we have not faced any issue with the machine. If whatever support we asked for, it's all done within a minute.
Fantastic.
So it's a very good experience both with the Manav Marketing and Jagdeep. And the machine performance, we have ordered three more machines. We just placed order for three more machines.
3 more machines.
Yeah, three more machines.
Fantastic.
And also we are planning to add these machines in our supply chain also.
Oh, fantastic. So, how would you like to recommend this machine to other manufacturers?
So this is one of the best machine. Just go for it without having a second thought.
Great, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And I am here with Mr. Shankra, who's taking care of production here.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Yeah.
So we are standing in front of Jagdeep VTM machine. So please tell about this machine. How has been this machine? What kind of products you are manufacturing here?
Basically, we are in aerospace manufacturing industries. We are most probably using for ground support tool and maintenance MRO based tools. We are using.
Fantastic. What kind of dia you are manufacturing here? What kind of?
We are one machine with 1200 diameter chuck size and swing diameter is 1500. And one machine with 1000 diameter chuck and 1200 swing diameter.
These are very huge components you are
Yeah.
manufacturing
Yes, big.
on these machines.
Yeah.
So when these machines were installed? Here?
It's almost 1 year is completed.
Almost 1 year. And how many shifts are you running in this machine?
All three shifts.
All 3 shifts you are running
Yeah.
for almost 1 year.
Yeah, 7 into 20.
So I must ask, how has been the performance for past 1 year?
Yeah, performance is very good. Initially, we thought we'll go with imported machine, but Manav Marketing suggested this machine. Then we won two-minded in wherever we want we go with this machine or we can go for imported machine. But finally, we decided to go with Jagdeep.
Fantastic.
And now after 1 year we are finding is very good accuracy wise and operator user friendly is their machine, and even precision wise for aerospace industry is very suitable for bigger job.
How has been the accuracy in these big machines?
Accuracy in last 1 year we are getting around 6 to 7 micron in around 800 diameter.
Fantastic. That's really good. So you are already a big fan of these machines.
Yeah.
So would you like to recommend these machines to other manufacturers?
Yeah, obviously. We are so many people came here and they seen these machines and performing how everything they seen. That performance wise is very good.
Right.
And aerospace bigger job we can use very good.
Yeah, because till now for the bigger jobs, all the manufacturer has been importing these big machines.
Yeah.
Now you have made in India product
Yeah.
for these kind of bigger jobs, right?
Yeah. For bigger job, this machine is very suitable.
Fantastic.
We are last 1 year we are doing some around 1200 diameter also, even 400 to 1200 diameter. We are not facing any problem.
Great, great. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Shankra ji. Thanks a lot for your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.